Hey guys, it's Vid, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the gear I use to film my videos. So let's not waste any more time and get straight to it. Let's start off by talking about the main attraction in this video, the GoPro Hero 11 Black camera. Don't be fooled by the small size. This camera is packed with tons of features that are going to be great, both for beginners, experts, and all sorts of content creators. It can record up to 5.3K in 60 FPS and 4K 120 FPS, all in 10-bit color, which is really going to make your images pop. One cool feature that this camera has is Hypersmooth 5.0. This is GoPro's latest in stabilization technology. This means that no matter how fast-paced your action scenes are, you're always going to have perfectly smooth footage. Let's move on to the next item in this video, the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone, which I have right here. This microphone is great for many applications such as vlogs, interviews, and adventures. This is also not the first time you've seen this on the channel. You've probably seen this in my YouTube Shorts video, which I unboxed it and gave my first impressions. Now, if you haven't seen that, be sure to check that out. And another great thing about this microphone is that it got a really good range, up to 200 meters, which means that regardless of whether I'm like super close to the camera like I am now or really far away, I'm still going to get amazing audio quality. Let's move on to the third item on this list, the GoPro Media Mod. This little accessory is going to help you unlock the potential of the Hero 11 Black. It transforms your GoPro into a content creation powerhouse. It provides additional connectivity options like a 3.5mm microphone port for connecting accessories like my Rode microphones. It also has a built-in microphone, which is going to be a step up from the internal GoPro microphone. In addition, it has two cold shoe mounts for attaching accessories such as external lights or audio gear. So far, we've talked about audio and video, yet we are still missing one key element, that is stabilization. For that, I'm using the GoPro handheld grip. For anyone who records outdoor footage or handheld footage like I am, this is a must-have as it's going to allow you to capture buttery smooth footage with minimal shaking. It's also a lot more comfortable to use compared to just holding the GoPro with your hand. There you have it, guys. That concludes this video. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more content, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. I'll see you guys next time.